Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play also with mouse and keyboard.
So guys, let's open the application OSU. So guys, once you open the application, just click the OSU icon. And then from here, click play guys. And then go for solo. And from here, you will have multiple beats to play with. So I'm going to go for idolize over here. So guys, you will have three options in order for you to play. Just use the click button or you can use Z and X.
So guys, as you can see, when I click, it is toggling, and when I tap Z, it is toggling as well, and when I tap X, it is toggling as well.
And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching guys. See ya.